Hey, what's up everyone? Today we got a 1973 Honda CL450 carburetor rebuild. Beautifully clean bike. Customer took off the tank. We're going to do the carbs. He provided me with new carb kits. I don't think there's any license plates around her, but look at this freaking shop. I'm so jealous. Anyway, so let's get to work. Separate carb system. So first carb's out. Got it in the back of the van. Let's get it tore down. Here's the carb tore apart. Here's got your body and all your miscellaneous jets, pieces, needles, float, everything. All right, let's get her rebuilt. Clean to rebuilt. All cleaned up, ready to go back in the bike. Let's clean the other one and put them both back in. The car's back in. Up. She's running. There she is. Pretty good for sitting for 7 years, huh? You guys have a great day. Full video sometime.